Hello everyone, today we're going to present about problem-based task open source operating system. My name is Nur Afika Afifi binti Azman and my group member is Nurul Liana and Farhana Amira. For question 2, the new machine should be installed and configured with the Ubuntu operating system. In the screen, type Ubuntu 64-bit as a virtual machine name and select location. Select Linux as the type of operating system and Ubuntu a version of operating system. State your name, computer name, username and password in Who Are You screen to create user. Enter the password that has been set. In question 3, use your name and a number metric, example like curry123 for user creation. In Ubuntu, create a group that will be joined by all members. Set a user to be an administrator while the one user account as a normal user and one user as a guest user. So this is the homepage for Ubuntu. Enter the right click and open the terminal. Type command sudo add user Farhana. Enter the password. After enter the password, changing the user information for Farhana. Farhana will be the administrator. Enter the new value or press enter for the default. Enter the full name Nur Farhana Amira, room number, work phone, home phone and others. Is the information correct? Enter Y or N. After enter Y, add command sudo user mode -ag sudo Farhana and press enter. After that, they will put Afifi as a normal user. So the command is sudo add user Afifi. Enter the password and changing the user information for Afifi. Enter the new value or press enter for the default. Full name Nur Afika Afifi. Room number, work phone, home phone and others. Is the information correct? Enter Y or N. Okay, after that we will put Liana as the guest user. The command is sudo add user Liana. Enter the password. Change the user information for Liana. Enter the new value or press enter for the default. Full name enter Nur Liana. Room number, work phone, home phone and others. Is the information correct? Enter Y or N. After put all the administration, normal and guest user, type command sudo add group ppt all source and press enter. Editing group ppt all source is done. And after that, type command sudo user mode -g for ppt all source Farhana. Type enter and sudo username -g ppt all source Afifi. Enter and lastly sudo user mode -g ppt all source Liana and press enter. Detect group ppt all source. ppt all source have Farhana, Afifi and Liana.
Number 4 is list environment variables such as user, pwd, home, shell and loop name for each user. So the command is su Farhana. Enter the password. Then print env. So this is the output that shows user, pwd, home, shell and loop name. So next we use the same command to add the user. So next is task number 5. Create a directory for each member in Ubuntu desktop. Each member must have full permission over his or her own directory. Nobody else can modify anything in directory. Provide proof that this is done. So the command is mkdir farhana dir and then sudo chown farhana ppt asas farhana dir / After that, enter the password of farhana. Next, sudo chmod 744 farhana dir / After that, cd farhana dir su farhana and enter the password, and then type cd farhana dir. Next, touch farhana file. Okay, next we go to task 6. Create another directory to be shared among all 3 users. Set the administrator. User also have to full control over all directories. Other have no access at all. And so first we have to create directory name and set the directory ownership to normal user. And verify that directory only can fully accessed by the owner. So the command is mkdir dir. So sudo chown ppt asas dir / enter the password, and then type sudo chmod 744 dir / Next, su and enter the password. And next, we have to create a file that can access by all the users. So the command is cd dir, and next is touch file. After that, easy, and we use the same command to other user. After that, we create directory name ppt asas. So mkdir ppt asas dir sudo chown farhana ppt asas dir. Next, we make the directory to be fully accessed and shared by all three users. We use command sudo chmod 777 ppt asas dir / ls ld or pbt or source /
My name is Nufarhana Amira and I will explain for the task 7, 8 and 9. For task 7, using an SSH client, all users should have access to the server remotely from another computer except guest user. First of all, we need to install the SSH server and the command is sudo apt-get install open SSH server. Then click enter. As you can see, this is the process of installing SSH server. After done installing, we need to verify that the SSH server is active. The command is sudo service SSH status. It shows that the server is active. After verify status SSH server, we need to enable the SSH localhost. The command is SSH localhost and enter. Put a password that we create from task 3. After enable the local host, we need to install netstools before view IP address of Ubuntu. The command is sudo apt install netstools. As you can see, this is the process of installing netstool. After install it, you can view the IP address of Ubuntu. The command is ifconfig and the IP address will appear. Copy that IP address, then type SSH name of administrator, alias and paste the IP address. For example, I will type SSH Farhana alias 192.168.19.135. After that, we need to install putty and the command is sudo apt-get install putty and enter. Now go to the putty apps and assign the same IP address and click enter. Putty terminal will appear. Log in as administrator and give a password from task 3. It will show welcome to Ubuntu 20.04 and so on. Now for the text 8, create a text file and navigate to the share directory. Name the text file osos2021.txt. First of all, the command is cd/home, then sudo touch osos2021.txt and click enter. Then type ls-l and it will show the content of the directory. Lastly, for the text 9, we need to ensure that others are able to edit the text file using remote SSH session. Okay, at the putty terminal, type cd/homes and enter. After that, type ls to view list of the directories. Now type nano osos2021.txt to enable others to edit the text file. Now, as you can see, 3 of the users can edit the text file, which is Farhana, Afifi, and Liana. That's all from us. Thank you.